In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach board 31 in Monopoly Go, an engaging and strategic mobile game where your main objective is to rise above the competition by advancing through boards. This guide will help you understand the journey to board 31 and how to effectively utilize gameplay features to your advantage. Let's start with the basics. The key to advancing in Monopoly Go lies in consistently completing your current board. Begin by focusing on building and upgrading properties as you acquire them. The objective is to always upgrade your properties to the highest tier as soon as you complete a color set. This strategy not only boosts your income, but also speeds up the leveling process, giving you an edge in your journey toward board 31. Participating in daily events and tournaments is also crucial. These events are generous with rewards, offering extra dice and sticker packs, which are essential tools for progression. Make it a habit to focus on these event objectives to maximize your gains and keep the momentum going. Now let's talk about the power of sticker collections. Completing sticker sets comes with its own set of rewards, mainly more dice, which are vital as you move from one board to another. I recommend diving into the trading community, particularly on platforms like Discord. Engaging with other players helps you complete your sets faster and maintain a steady pace of advancement. Don't forget about the social features that Monopoly Go offers. By connecting with friends through the game, you can share and receive social links that grant you free dice rolls. This can be a game changer, boosting your playtime significantly and giving you more opportunities to progress. Strategically managing your dice and coins can make a significant difference as well. Use your resources wisely, especially when it comes to multipliers. These can greatly increase your rewards during gameplay. Try not to play excessively in one sitting to avoid burnout, ensuring that each session is as productive as possible. Lastly, keep your focus on finishing boards. Every board in Monopoly Go requires you to build specific landmarks before you can advance to the next level. Fully building out a board is your ticket to moving forward, so prioritize completing each project's milestones to seamlessly transition to the subsequent boards. By integrating these strategies into your gameplay, you should see a noticeable improvement in how quickly you can move through the stages toward board 31. Remember, persistence and smart strategies are your best assets in this game. So keep upgrading, stay active in events, and make the most of the social aspects of Monopoly Go to accelerate your journey. Happy gaming and enjoy the climb to board 3031.